This is one of my first retail customers back in 2015. I did this repair on this Toyota RAV4. I was so nervous about this repair. I was working at a body shop at the time, and I took off work early or showed up late. I don't remember, but I know I took off work and went to go do this repair. And I was so nervous because it was one of my first retail customers, and it was a big, high-paying job for me at the time, which was about $900 to do both of those dents. And I was just nervous because I wanted to get the vehicle complete and repaired to the customer's satisfaction, which fortunately was able to do. I didn't really have that many tools. I just did the best I could with the tools I had. As you can tell, it's a huge difference in the tooling and the equipment I'm using as opposed to some of the videos you see now. Moral of the story is, gotta be willing to do whatever it takes to get started, take risks, and be confident in your abilities, and do what's best for the customer at all times. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a great day.